is so cute. It says tattoo strong. Strong. Rat. And it's basically like just a petroleum jelly. That's what it looks like. Just a petroleum jelly. Like Aquaphor, I guess. I used it right after this one, but I've been using Aquaphor the rest of the time. I honestly forgot it was in there. But yeah. So that's really cool. I like that they cover all the bases. From actually sticking to aftercare. Oh, and by the way, these needles attach to these popsicle sticks, and that's how you like make a solid thing to grip, if that makes sense. I'll show you right now what to use to bind the two. It is this bandage wrap. I wonder if you can hear that. It sounds interesting. But you just peel it off. And then you take a needle, and you sort of wrap it around the popsicle stick with this. And obviously, like a ton of you probably know how this works, because I'm sure y'all have like gone to the doctor and given blood. But if you don't, it sticks to itself. It's actually really cool. It sticks to itself like that. So you would just wrap it, and then tear it. Can I get it? Tear it. And it will just wrap and stick to itself. So literally this kit comes with everything. Okay. Of course, it came with ink. It's just black ink. And yeah, I really like red tattoos, and I always said I would never get anything other than black tattoos, except for red tattoos, so I might get some red ink too once I master stick and poking, so I just don't look like a bloody mess, you know. It comes with these little caps as well. This is what you would keep your ink in. leave me a comment